Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Chapters Mod menu for free. This method works perfectly on both iOS and Android, and it unlocks all the premium features you've been waiting for. With this Chapters mod, you'll gain access to unlimited diamonds and tickets, premium choices unlocked, all chapters fully accessible, the complete card gallery unlocked, and much more. If you've been searching for a working chapters hack or mod menu in 2025, this is the video you need. Before starting, make sure your Chapters Interactive Stories app is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates. Once your game is ready, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included the exact link and instructions on how to get Chapters safely. Follow the steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu installed in minutes. That's it for today's tutorial on how to get the Chapters mod menu free on iOS and Android. Enjoy unlimited diamonds, tickets, and premium choices, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!